Exercise 11.4, question 10. Here the parameter given is foci is on x-axis, that is 5 comma 0, and the length of transverse axis is 8. Here transverse axis is x-axis, as my foci is on x-axis. The foci is on a comma 0, whereas the length of transverse axis will be 2a. So on comparing, I will get 2a as 8, whereas ae as 5. Therefore the value of a is 4. As the transverse axis is x-axis, I will apply formula b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. So a square e square minus a square. A square e square will be 25 minus a square will be 16. Therefore the value of b square will be 25 minus 16, which is 9. Therefore b square is 9. We got the value of a square, we got the value of b square. Therefore the equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore x square by a square is 16 minus y square by b square is 9 equal to 1. Foci is on y-axis and length of conjugate axis is given. Here transverse axis is y-axis, and when transverse axis is y-axis, my focus is on b equal 0 comma plus minus b, whereas the length of transverse axis conjugate axis is 2a. So on comparing, I will get BE as 13, whereas 2A as 24. Therefore the value of A is 12. Here the formula I will use for eccentricity will be A square is equal to B square E square minus 1. Therefore A square is equal to B square E square minus B square. We know A square, we know B square E square. Therefore B square will be 25. Therefore the equation of hyperbola is y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. Therefore y square by b square is 25 minus x square by a square, which is 144, is equal to 1. So this is my final answer. Question 12. Foci is on x-axis plus minus 3 root 5 comma 0, and the length of latus rectum is given 8. My transverse axis is x-axis in this case. So foci is on plus minus a comma 0, whereas the length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. So on comparing, I will get AE as 3 root 5, whereas 2b square by a as 8. AE is 3 root 5, and here I will simplify this as b square is equal to 4. Now we'll apply the formula of eccentricity. As the transverse axis is an x-axis, I will use b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. Therefore, in place of b square, I will keep 4a. Here a square e square minus a square. Here a square e square can be written as 9 5 are 45 minus a square. Therefore, I can write this equation as a square minus plus 4a minus 45 is equal to 0. 9 5s are. Therefore, the value of a is minus 9, or a value of a is 5. And we will not consider that negative value, so the value of a is 5. If a is 5, implies b square is 4 into a. Therefore, the equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square by the value of a square will be 25 minus y square by b square is 20 equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. Question 13. Here the foci given is plus minus 4 comma 0. As you can see that my foci is on x-axis, my transverse axis will be x-axis. Length of latus rectum is 12. So transverse axis is x-axis. Foci is on plus minus a comma 0. Length of LR, that is latus rectum, is 2b square by 8. On comparing, I will get AE as 4 and 2b square by a as 12. Therefore, b square is equal to 6a. Here b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. Therefore, b square is equal to a square e square minus b a square. B square is 6a. A square is 16 minus a square. Therefore, a square plus 6a minus 16 is equal to 0. 8 2s are 16. If I solve this, I will get the value of a as minus 8, or the value of a is 2. Here we will not consider a negative value. Therefore, if a is 2 implies b square is 6 into a. Therefore, the equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is 1. A square is 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. Right. Vertices is on x-axis and the value of eccentricity is given 4 by 3. So transverse axis is x-axis in this case, and vertices lies on plus minus a comma 0. So on comparing, I will get the value of a as 7. And as the transverse axis is x-axis, I can use the equation b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. So 49, 16 by 9 minus 1, that is 49 into 7 by 9, 3, 4, 3 by 9. This is the value of b square. Therefore, the equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square by a square is 49 minus y square by b square is 343 by 9 is equal to 1. So I can write this as x square by 49 minus 9y square upon 343 is equal to 1. Right. This is my equation of hyperbola. Question 15. Here the foci given is on 0 comma plus minus root 10 and passes through 2 comma 3. As you can see that my foci is on y-axis, my transverse axis is y-axis. My transverse axis is y-axis. Therefore, the equation of hyperbola will be y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. It is given that passes through 2 comma 3. I can keep the value of y as 3 and the value of x as 2. Also, foci are on 0 comma plus minus be. Give this as 1, we will use it. So on comparing, I will get the value of be as 10. Now, if I use a relation a square is equal to b square e square minus 1, then a square can be written as b square e square minus b square. I know the value of b square as 10 minus b square. But I can replace the value of a square as 10 minus b square. So keeping in equation 1, 9 by b square minus 4 upon 10 minus b square is equal to 1. Cross multiplying 9 into 10 minus b square minus 4 into b square is equal to b square into 10 minus b square. Therefore 90 minus 9b square minus 4b square, 10b square minus b raised to 4. Therefore b raised to 4, this is minus 13 and minus 10, 23b square, and this will be plus 90 equal to 0. So 18 5s are 90, and 18 plus 5 will give me 23. Therefore the value of b square is either 18 or the value of b square is either 5. But you will observe that I will not take this value of b square as 18, as the value of a square is 10 minus b square, and if I keep the value of b square as 18, I will get a square as negative, which is not possible. Square is never negative, right? So if b square is 5, implies a square is 10 minus b square. So 10 minus 5, I will get the value of a square as also 5. Therefore the equation of hyperbola is y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. Therefore y square by 5 minus x square by 5 is equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. I can write this as y square minus x square is equal to 5. I told you that if the value of a and b is the same, or the value of a square and b square is same, then the obtained hyperbola is called equilateral hyperbola. So this is your equilateral hyperbola.